It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Rd in Edmonton, Alberta. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Sierra 3500 Denali HD. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Denali. On the driver's door, power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, power folding and power extendable mirrors, the programmable memory seat, auto express windows, and the child lock button. Here we have the premium Bose sound system and the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior, Denali badging in both headrests, and a power sunroof up above. To the left of the steering wheel, we've got the heads-up display button, trailer mode, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and some lighting buttons and dials. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. On the left side are the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and that heated steering wheel button. On the right side, we've got the audio buttons. This is our digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by using the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, rear window slider button, and OnStar. This is our rear view mirror camera. We're able to change the view back to normal by flicking the switch at the bottom. This is GMC's infotainment center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen displays the outside temperature, the time, a touch screen equipped with navigation, and this screen doubles as our backup camera. We're able to change the camera view by pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. To the far left, engine push start button, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and cooled front leather seats, lane departure alert, park assist, tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control, the trailer brake, and some USB and power plug-ins. Just below that is our wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Denali, we've got that unique Denali grille. Embedded in the grille is our front camera, chrome tow hooks, fog lights, 20-inch high-gloss black aluminum wheels, a 6.6-liter Duramax diesel engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator. Rear tinted windows, retractable running boards down below. We've also got the box side step. As we make our way to the very back, we've got the rear window slider and the corner step bumper. Those corner steps are located on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. We've also got GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. We're going to drop the tailgate down using the key fob, pushing the button twice. It's also got the multi-pro tailgate step, so by pushing 2 additional buttons, we can drop the step down. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner, cargo hooks, power plug-in, and box lighting. Last, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. You'll notice there's lots of head and leg room for those passengers riding in the back. On the passenger door, power windows. We've also got that wood grain trim. On the backs of both front seats, we've got some leather seat pockets. The back of the center console has 2 cup holders, heated rear seats, and some USB and power plug-ins. Our middle seat here folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. Additionally, we've got behind the seat storage located behind either of those rear seats, as well as some under seat storage by lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Sierra 3500 Denali HD today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.